Good morning. I have a Lennox ComfortSense 7000 series model L7742U touchscreen programmable thermostat. It is not holding the correct time on the thermostat. Is there a battery I need replace?
Hello there. I'm Norman, but you can call me Norm. Let's see what I can do to get you some answers today. I'm ready to get started whenever you are. Hope you are doing well today.
I am. It is nice and sunny here, cold.
To answer part of your question, yes, there is a lithium battery that is used to keep time. It is deep within the thermostat on the circuit board. When the clock starts to lose time, this is a good indicator it is failing. The next part of your question, as to the replacement. I am sure the battery could be replaced, but it would not be an easy task and would likely have to be desoldered from the board. Because of the life expectancy of this battery, the thermostat manufacturer assumes the thermostat will be replaced when the battery fails.
Does that mean the board is bad, cause this may still be under warranty?
Battery, sorry, typo above. How old is it?
Be right back. Hopefully not a 2-year warranty, installed November 3, 2011.
Most come with a 1-year warranty, but I may be able to check into that.
I will have to look through my paperwork and see what it says about the warranty.
Sounds like you got a faulty thermostat.
Frown.
If you have a warranty, you should be able to have it replaced at no charge.
Okay, I guess I will call them tomorrow. Thanks for your help. Wish it was easier to replace.
I'm sorry, I wish they would make it easier too. Any other questions for me today?
Have a great day. No questions at the moment.
You are very welcome, my friend. Please do not hesitate to reply if you have questions or comments. Should and when you find the information you require, and are satisfied with my assistance, please remember to rate your experience so that I am credited with providing you outstanding customer service. Ratings lower than 3 are negative. I'm very glad I could help you. If you ever need help in the future, please bookmark my personal link and visit me again. I'd be glad to help. http://www.justanswer.com/home-improvement/expert. It's Norm/. Just wanted to thank you again for choosing Just Answer. If you should ever need anything in the future, please do not hesitate to contact me. You can copy and paste the below link into your browser address bar and use the chat window provided to contact me directly. http://www.justanswer.com/home-improvement/expert. It's Norm/. Thank you again. Hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.